Yeah, the first experience in Saudi was quite nice, especially it was a really nice landscape, some really special canyons full of sand, what I like to think about it. I think for the first race there was quite a nice race, quite a cool race, and yeah, I'm looking forward for a new challenge. I just like to train to keep me fit, and also it's helping me when I'm on the bike. And of course, the goal have to be bring a KTM again on the highest spot of the Dakar Rally. And for my own goal, would be super cool to win, but there is 10 other people who have the skills to win. But if I can finish again on the podium, would be nice for me. Of course, for us is really important to try to win again the Rally Dakar, and yeah, we are still super hungry to bring home some wins. But in the end, I think you don't have to think so much about we losing after 18 times of winning. It's more you have to be happy to win it so long in a row, because when all the veterans like Koma, the super rally stars are gone, was pretty hard for us as a young generation, for Sam, Toby and me, but we can pretend it for some more years, and I think it's just fair now, because Honda also doing a good job. Ricky had already bad luck at the year before, so at the last race, or at the last Dakar, he bring the puzzle really good together, and he deserved the win. This is really like a hate love. How more close we are coming, how more excited I am. Then from day one I say, gonna be a long, tough Dakar, but how more we arrive to the finish line, how more excited it is. It's like when you climb a mountain. From the bottom, sure, you don't enjoy it so much, but the last 300, 400, 500 meters gives you so much back that you love to doing things like this.